What kind of soft filter do you like? In this video, I will show you the differences depending on the soft filters you use during a shoot. First, let me explain the lighting. We make an edge light by aiming this round LED light at the subject in a half backlighting manner. This half backlight is reflected off a white reflector board and will cast a soft light at the subject. We add a backlight by placing an LED spotlight behind the subject. To make the woman look more beautiful, we'll make a kind of soft upper lighting by using a round LED light and aiming it at a white reflector board. This alone can make it look very beautiful. The overall image is clear, so now we use a soft filter to create a slightly soft image. We compare by trying various soft filters. First, we use Canis Haseo filter. This filter emphasizes oblique lighting, but with the type of lighting we have, the effect is not apparent. However, the soft feel is strong and very nice. I like it. Next, we use Canis Black Mist 0.5 filter. This is a weak filter, so it doesn't look much different than not using a filter at all. However, if you'd like to add just a bit of softness, I recommend this filter. Next, we use Black Mist 1.0. This filter is softer than the last, and you can see that the image is softer in appearance. Personally, I like this amount of softness. I think it's good to use this amount of softness when photographing older women. Next, we combine 0.5 and 1.0 to make a 1.5 filter. It's much softer than before. Personally, I feel this is a little too soft. Lastly, we try using Lens Baby's soft lens and we try shooting with an aperture of f1.6. This is a soft lens, so the softness will change depending on the aperture. With f1.6, the softness is very strong. There is also the inconvenience of having to focus manually, which makes it not very user-friendly. How much softness do you prefer? For me, I like the Haseo filter best.